Hi. Okay, so we're going to do some decimal addition. Make myself go a bit smaller. I hope your day's been good so far today. So, number one, we're going to add decimals. So 0.5 plus 0.2. Okay, so that means we've got 5/10 and we have 2/10 and 5/10 and 2/10 makes 7/10. So number two, 0.3 plus 0.9. So we have 3/10 and 9/10. Well, we know 9 plus 3 takes us over that boundary of a 1 or a 10. So let's see what happens if we do it using, I'm going to put 0.9 at the top. It doesn't matter which way round. So we're going to do it both ways to see what happens. Keep the decimal points in line. I'm going to use a different colour to do it the other way round, just so you can see. Now, if it was subtraction, it'd be different, but because it's addition, it stays the same. So let's go back. 9, 10, 11, 12. Well, we don't fit 12 in there, do we? You only want one digit in there. So, well, that's very big. I'll put that bit smaller. So 9, 10, 11, 12, we put the 1 here and 2. And then 0 plus 0 plus 1 is 1. So that equals 1.2. And let's see if this is the same. So 9, 10, 11, 12, 0 plus 0 plus 1 is 1. So that's 1.2. Okay, let's go for a different colour. Oh, I don't know whether this green is a bit, well, it's quite bright, but it's okay. Number 3, 0.02 plus 0.1. Okay, so we've got 2/100 plus 1/10. Now looking at it, you might think that this one is bigger. Is 0.02 bigger than 0.1? Because of that 2. That 2 is in the hundredths column and that 1 is in the tenths column. That means 1 out of 10 people prefer, I don't know, white chocolate to dark chocolate. But this means 2 people, this one here, means 2 people out of 100 people prefer dark chocolate, white chocolate to dark chocolate. So that's 2 out of 100. And this one is 1 out of 10. So 1 in every 10 people prefer white chocolate to dark chocolate, 2 in every 100 people. So this one is the smallest one. So let's do, so I'd say change it round. So 0.02 is less than 0.1. But let's add them together. So 0.02 plus 0.1. Now we can fill this missing space with a 0 if we want to. It's up to us how we use that space. It can either be a 0 or we can leave it by itself. Because remember, there are zeros either side of the number. There's an infinite number of zeros both ways, and the same with any other number. So for that reason, if you see any spaces, you can fill them either side with zeros to balance it out. Keep the decimal points lined up. So that's 2/100 plus 0 is 2/100. no tenths plus 1/10 is 1/10. 0 plus 0 is 0. So the answer to that is 0.12. I'm just going to move the page down. Okay. So we are on number 4. 0.3 plus 0.28. Okay. So 0.3 plus 0.28. You can either leave a space here, it's up to you, or you can fill it in with a 0 if you'd like to. It doesn't matter. So let's do it without, just to see how it feels. There's a pretend 0 there and 8, so there's 8. 3 plus 2 is 5. 0 plus 0 is 0. So the answer there is 0.58. Number 5, 0.006 plus 0.4. 0.006 plus 0.4. Keep them lined up. That's it. Number 6, 1.02 plus 0.5. 1.02 plus 0.5. I like to give spaces around the digits, particularly when they get more, don't know, when there's more involved. I try and give more spaces so that I can keep nicely placed under each, on top or underneath each one. 7. 2.52 plus 0.5. 2.52 plus 0.5. That's 2. 5 plus 5 is 10. 2 plus 1 is 3. So the answer there is 3.02 plus 2.79. Because they're getting more sort of, there's more numbers involved. I'm going to check 10.04, 2.79, 12, 13, 7 add 1 is 8, 0 plus 2 is 2, and 1. So I think we 12, 13, 7 add 1 is 8, 0 plus 2 is 2, and 1. So I think we have 12.83, yes. Okay. Number 9. We have £102.98 plus £19.53. £102.98 plus £19.53. Actually, I don't need that, do I? I just need the numbers. I'm going to split them up a little bit now. Or a bit more. 53, 10298, 1953, 8, 9, 10, 11, 9 add 1 is 10, add 5 is 15, 9, 10, 11, 12, 0, 1, 1 is 2, and 1. So I'm pretty sure that's £122.51. Yes. And right, let's move it. And that one. 0.0025. I put that there. 0.025 plus 0.0025 plus 15.5. Okay. 0. Oh, I've got a mark there. 0.025 plus 15.5. I probably generally try and put the bigger number at the top, but as long as you've got the decimal points one on top of each other, and as long as it's addition, it's okay. So 5, 2, 0, 0 plus 5 is 5, 0 plus 5 is 5, and 1. So that equals 15.502. Now we've got a whole number now. We've got 2 plus 1.9. Okay, so we've got 2 plus 1. Now, if that had a decimal point, it would be there. So sometimes when you're using whole numbers and parts of number, it's useful to use the decimal point on both so that it doesn't get confusing. 9 plus 0, or 0 plus 9 is 9, 2 plus 1 is 3, so you've got 3.9. So we've got number 12, 117 pence plus 28 pence plus £14.99. Okay. All right. So I'm going to put £14.99 at the top. And I'm going to turn the others, I'm going to convert the others into pounds rather than pounds and pence. Well, pounds and pence, or pounds rather than in pence. So 117 pence is the same as saying £1.17. 28 pence is the same as saying 28 on this side here. Ooh. I'm just going to move that way a little bit. So 9, add 7, add 8. Well, I'm going to take one off the 8 to turn it into a 7. Ooh. So I'm going to do 8 take away 1 is 7, and the 1 I'm going to put onto the 9 to make 10, and add the 2 7s to make 14, to make 24. That's what I've done. So we don't need to do it that way. It's just quite nice to take one off there. So that turns it into a 7. And we, instead of having that one on there, we put it on there to make it into a 10. That's all I've done. But you don't have to do that at all. So it's just becoming familiar combining numbers together. Okay, so 9 plus 7 is 16. Take 4 off the 8 to put onto the 6 is 20, and then 24, or 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and then add 8. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. 9 add 1 is 10, add 2, 11, 12, add 2, so 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And then 4, add 1 is 5, add 1 is 6, and then 1. So I think the answer in pounds is £16 and 44 pence. Yep. Okay, well done. Right, so where are we? Here. Have a lovely rest of the day. Thank you ever so much for joining me, and all the best. I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye.